Welcome to Vortex AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create HD voiceovers in Vortex AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on AI voiceover. Now you are on voiceover creating panel where you can create voiceover. Select your language. Enter your voiceover title. Choose Voice-over Creator out of the option. You can listen any creator before converting.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts and more.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts and more. Select Voice over Output Volume from the drop-down. Select Speaking Rate and other options. Insert your text. Click on Generate Voice. After generating the voiceover you are redirected on Voice-over Listing page, where you can play your AI voiceover. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service, although the terms e-marketing. You can download AI voiceover into your device. You can view your AI voice-over details. You can delete the AI voiceover. Thanks for watching the video.